welcome back to another vlog. It's been a very long time, I know. This is not one of the vlogs or type of vlogs that anyone would like to create, especially when you're about to talk about a dear friend that you've just lost today. I have not lost a friend ever, and so the emotions that are going through my head right now are just insane. So I dedicate this video to Mohamed. I really wanted to share this with you guys as this is my Jeep family, and he was quite active and excited to be part of it. He recently picked up a Jeep about a year ago and contacted me. Now, at that time, we just had some common friends between each other, and so we didn't know each other that well at that time. And so he contacted me and he's like, "Bro, you just inspired me to buy a Jeep." And whenever I do hear that, it's such an honor. And so he bought the Jeep. It seemed really far-fetched for him to get a Jeep at that time. He got a really good deal, picked it up. He contacts me and he's like, "We gotta meet, I wanna show you my Jeep." So we met up and we hit it off really well. And so he was really excited to get into the whole Jeep family, the Jeep meet, the Jeep adventures. Brought him along with his stock Jeep, and we did a video at the Baja Jeep meet last summer in Brampton, Ontario. It was a lot of fun, you know, and soon after that we did another video where we did an off-road adventure, and he was a great sport. For the guys that are watching this that were with us, we actually staged him getting stuck because I had just installed a winch and I wanted to use it and show how it's done. But the poor guy actually got stuck. He really got stuck, and so we had to use a couple of methods to try to pull him out, and finally got him out. But as I share these little stories with you, I can't believe he's gone. After that, we did an amazing video where we removed the hardtop of my Jeep for the first time, and these memories stick with you, you know what I mean? It's like I sit back and I'm going through my phone and you know, looking at these WhatsApp messages that date back to like a year and a half, and I'm like, I can't believe it. I'm going through like pictures of you know, our Jeeps together, you know, our past YouTube videos. It's tough, you know, to realize that you'll never see him again, and then also to feel that if I could go back in time, maybe just a day, and just call him up and say, "Hey buddy, what's up?" You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys have lost dear friends of yours, but it's tough. There were times where, you know, your friends really shine, and it was actually the night before I sold my Jeep. And he came by and he's like, "Faz, I see you're going through a tough time." And he's like, "I just wanted to come by and spend some time with you, you know?" And he's like, "Maybe you shouldn't sell the Jeep. Maybe you should keep it because you're going to be like super low and depressed and you're going to be missing it constantly." And then after 3 hours of chatting, he's finally like, "But you know, family comes first and you have to look at your finances." And he was like, "You know, Fayaz, I think this is the best thing for you to do." And I called him over too because I had a bunch of Jeep stuff, parts, accessories that I took off the Jeep before giving it in for the trade-in, and he saw the things that I was giving to him, and his eyes filled up in tears, man. And he was like, "I can't take all this." He's like, "Sell it, you know, you can make some good money on it." And I'm like, I know it's going to someone that deserves it, you know, someone that's been inspired, you know, to get a Jeep, and now you know, to wanting to build it and accessorize it a bit. You know, I felt like, you know, he deserved it. And so those little moments, right? Just about a month ago, I'd gone out for dinner. At the end of it, he's like, "You know what?" He's like, he gives me the keys of his Jeep. He's like, "You know what, you drive this home." Because he was coming back over to my place to pick up some more Jeep stuff. I was in the midst of moving actually, and I found some other stuff sitting around. So I'm like, "You know what, after dinner, just swing by my place, pick up these stuff, and then, you know, you can head home." So he's like, "You know what, take my Jeep keys, you drive the Jeep, and he'll drive my car." So I'm like, "Buddy, I don't think I should be doing this because I obviously miss my Jeep a lot, and now driving your Jeep, I'm going to miss it even more. I drove it, and as soon as that little trip ended, I mean, I'm like, bro, I miss my Jeep even more now, and we had a good laugh about it and everything like that. So he'll be missed. He'll definitely be missed. And somehow, if these videos are being broadcast through satellites and through all these digital avenues, I hope these waves reach you, and I hope you're able to watch this video somehow and see this video and smile down at us. And all your trails are now open. You got like a bunch of free trails. You're a free man, and God bless. And that's all I can say. So it's been a tough day, but just wanted to dedicate this to you, and we're going to end this video with a few nice clips that I found that made me smile. And some good times, brother. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.
I'm super pleased with it. It looks amazing. Thanks for your help. And
yeah, nice.
if you guys want to check out his Jeep, you can follow him. I'm going to have the description right below the video as well. But your Instagram is?
jku.rhino. I like the color.
Perfect. Sounds great. So until next time, please remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe to get the latest updates. And remember, Jeep,
Just empty every pocket.
haha! All right, guys, just made it out. We're at...
We're good. Don't try to make puddles. At all.
All right. Friends, don't let friends drive stock.